And one thing I am very disappointed at the Flipkart is they should have provided some buffer plastic over here, as this chances are it will completely having their collision inside this particular packing box. And let us hope that the laptop didn't get any damage because of that, right? So I'm simply removing this, and this is the box of our laptop. So here are some technical specifications. And now let me make a cut, because it is quite easy to open this box from this side. And surprisingly, it has only one serrotap attached over here. So this is In Search of Incredible, and this cotton bag is containing our laptop, and it is although it's very bulkier, I personally feel is a very thin and light as compared to my previous older generation laptop. These are some documents and papers. Let me open this. So interestingly, they have provided, I think, additional connector with this in case you want to install some additional hardware. So this is quite nice if you want to increase your hard disk capacity, then it is possible with this laptop. And this is the charging block. And this is the power cable, and the rest of box is empty. So as compared to the other unbox on the internet, I think that I got this particular attachments as a additional benefit. But the the provision of attachment is not listed on the website. So in case if you are not getting this, it is not a deal breaker. And let us quickly open this particular bag with one hand. And that is why you need cushioning, and I have intentionally try to unbox it on my mattress, so I could do that on single-handedly. So as you can see, these are the dimensions. On the right hand side, it has memory card slot and older generation USB 2 slot and Kingston lock slot. On the back panel, it has a fan exhaust, cooling fan exhaust, and on the bottom portion it is having their air vents. On the right hand side, it is having this LAN cable, charging cable, your HDMI, USB 3, USB type C, and headphone and mic combo jack. Now let us try to open it up with a single hand, and yeah, it is a bit difficult. So it was a bit difficult, and I don't want to break my laptop, so I have opened this particular laptop with two hands. And let us focus over here. See, this part is your fingerprint sensor, and the best deal is it is having this licensed version of Microsoft Office. It has a older generation of Core i5, but that is not a deal breaker too. And the keyboard is backlit. So I'll meet you soon in this first startup video. Thank you so much for being here, and have a nice day.